Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be talking about a free AI photo editing tool called UltraPic. So it claims to remove background, enhance your product photos, and even generate professional looking backgrounds in seconds. So I decided to put this to test right here live to see how good it actually is and whether it can replace Photoshop for quick edits. Let's find out. So it's mainly built for e-commerce sellers, photographers, and anyone who needs clean photo products fast. You can remove backgrounds, generate new ones with AI, use templates for Amazon, Shopify, and even batch edit multiple photos at once. So let's actually test this out. So I got two products I want to take a photo of. So the first is this Ruby Cube on my decks, and the second is this headset. So the next thing we're going to be doing is head over to ultrapics.com and then upload the photos. So I'm going to be starting with the headset. Okay, so as you can see, it's uploading right here after I dragged it on the UltraPic. Okay, so after uploading, you can see the background is being removed. You can see it's removing back. Okay, so on the left hand, we have BG remover and AI BG generator. So it's kind of like two different options. So when you switch to AI BG generator, it does the same thing as the BG remover. It actually removes the background. Over here on the left, we have recommended, and you can see we have different AI backgrounds that we can choose from. So just click on generate, and it's going to generate a background based on the photo you clicked. So as you can see, it just basically took less than 10 seconds, and you can see it created a new background for this. So we can select another, maybe a different. Let's select this and just click on generate BG. So the whole process literally takes around 10 seconds to generate. So as you can see, it literally generated a new background. So let's see, I am trying to sell this on Amazon and I needed a new background for this. As you can see, it just literally does this in minutes and it's totally free. So you can also edit the photo itself, right? You can, adjust hue, saturation, temperature, and you can just basically things you can do on Photoshop, just some minor color tweaking. You can actually do it in here. So you can also upscale an image. So whenever you generate a new background, it actually creates kind of like two different copies for you. So I'm going to be upscaling one of the copy over here. Okay, so now I've actually done this. So as you can see, this is the one that's not upscale. As you can see, the resolution is 2080 by 704, and as you can see, the one that is upscaled, you can see the resolution is quite higher. Okay, so another thing is on the generation history, you don't have to go back to regenerate a background. You can just click on it and it's going to bring that back. So this tool is pretty handy, and it just, all you just have to do is take a photo of your product shot, and then bring it to this UltraPic, and you can literally generate new background for your photo without having to, you know, do a whole lot of stuff. Just take a photo and bring it in here, and the AI tool will generate a new background for you. Okay, so when we go to the top, another option is reference. So you can actually reference a photo. So let's say you have a background you want to reference, you can find it here. You can just go and drag that background photo. So let's go to Google and search for a background image we can actually use over here. Just gonna drag this and drop the image, then generate background. So it's going to generate a background based on this image. It might not be perfect, but I think it's still pretty much handy. So you can see where it actually generated, not as you expected, but it's still, I mean, it still gets the job done. And then we have the prompt. So you can actually give it a prompt to tell it the kind of background you need. So let's, from the examples given, let's just try marble tabletop. So yeah, you can see where it actually generated a tabletop, a marble tabletop. Okay, so let's try it different. Let's try studio setup. So you can actually see that it generated a background based on a backdrop, and also you can download. You do not have to register, you do not have to sign up. Just go ahead and download. You can choose between PNG or JPEG. So let's try our second image, the Rubik Cube. Okay, so I'm going to be switching to the AI BG generator, and then the first thing I'm going to be doing is to delete these two extra images. So to do this, just go to um refine mask, and you can increase your brush size and also your opacity, but let's just leave it at that. Then delete this image, so you just get the idea. Once you click on apply, you can see the image is no longer there. So we're going to be doing the same for the second image. Now we can actually generate background for this. Just click on generate. It gives us two different images. As you can see, this is the first and this is the second. We can also go to the BG removal. Let's go back to the BG removal. So once you switch between this menu, so whatever history you have, like maybe whatever photo you have generated, is going to be actually deleted. You can't actually recover that. For this BG removal, we can add BG colors, background colors rather. We can adjust the image. You can rotate, then you can edit the image. Maybe you want to increase the saturation, sharpness, and everything. So now we can actually go ahead and add backgrounds to this. Just click on this image, so whatever colors you want, it's available. And even if the colors are not there, we have this um color picker tool which you can use to select a different color. So yeah, so you can also download your image, and then that is it. Okay, so who is UltraPic actually for? If you're a seller, a content creator, or a small business owner trying to make your product photos look professional without paying for Adobe tools, this is perfect. But if you're into creative photography or need precise manual control, you still prefer something like Photoshop, for example. So overall, UltraPic surprised me for something that's free, fast, and fully online. The results are genuinely impressive. I will drop the link below so you can try it out. It's free anyway, so test it out yourself and let me know in the comments how your results compare. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.